Hello my dear kids, how are you all? I hope you're doing great at home and staying fit, eating good food and healthy food too. And so, what we are learning today? Yes, the sounds of animals. So we know some animals. We know how it looks. But do we know how it sounds? Yes, you know some of those, right? So when I said meow, meow, can you guess the animal? Yes, it's a cat. That only we are going to learn some animals with their sounds. So, which is your favorite animal? I like cat. So which is small. So we know about animals and their babies, right? So cat. So let's know about what? Animals with their sounds. Okay, what is this? It's a cat. How it sounds? Meow. Meow. Can you tell with me? Can you make a sound with me? Yes. So, it's a cat. It sounds meow. Meow. Right? So, now see the next animal. What is this? Rooster. What is this? Rooster. How does it sound? Doodly, doodly, doo. Right? So, when you wake up, you may heard this sound. Right? Though, what is that? Hen or a rooster. They sound doodly, doodly, doo. Otherwise, cuckoo, right? So, hen or the rooster. Now, see the next animal. What is this? It's a horse. Have you take ride of any horse? Yes, it will be fun, right? So, how the horse sound? Neigh, neigh, right? So, how the horse sound? Neigh. Can you sound with me? Neigh, right? So, see the next animal. What is this? It's a farm animal, right? So, pig, right? So, it's a pig. How does it sound? Oink, oink. How? Oink, oink, right? Can you make a sound with me? Oink, oink. Okay? Now, see the next picture is what? Dog, right? So, what is that? Dog. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. How does it sound? Woof, woof. Right? So, it sounds woof, woof. And what is this? Well, this is also a farm animal. Yes, it's a sheep. What is this? Sheep. Right? We are getting wool from this, right? So, how does it sound? You may have seen, right? So, lots of sheep going, right? So, how they sound? Have you heard once? It says ba, ba, right? So, it sounds ba, right? Now, see the next animal, which is cow. Cow. So, how does it sound? Moo. Moo. Right? So, the mouse, the little mouse, right? Even this little mouse has little voice. How does it sound? Squatch! Squatch! Right? I'm very scared of this mouse. Have you? Yes. Now see the big, after the little mouse, who is coming? The big elephant. Right? So with the trunk, how does it sound? Woo! Woo! Right? So see now it's a duck. What is it? Duck. How does duck sound? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Right? So see the next animal, which is frog. Right? So it jumps. Right? So it hops. So it, how does it sound? Propet, propet. Say, can you say with me? Propet, rabbit. Right? So it sounds right? Actually it sounds, but we say rabbit. Propet, trumpet. Right? So see the next animal is what? King of the jungle, a lion, right? So it roars, right? It roars. So let's see, the cat say meow, the hen say doodly doo, the horse say neigh, the pig say oink, the dog say woof, the sheep say baa, the cow say moo, mouse says quack, the elephant says whoo, the duck says quack, the frog says truck, and the lion says right. So this is what the sounds of animal, right? So everybody know the Old MacDonald song, right? So that only we are going to sing. Okay?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a boink boink here and a boink boink there, here a boink, there a boink, everywhere a boink boink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there, here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa-baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here, moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.